I was browsing Reddit and came across this post. Do users ever use your AI in completely unexpected ways? It's from Reddit user Garad252, and it actually got me thinking of completely new and unique ways to use ChatGPT. In this example, this user's mom, it's a post coming from Twitter, she sent it a picture of a bookshelf from a bookstore and asked it, can you find the book Atmosphere? So she wouldn't have to look through it herself. After a little bit, the AI came back. I see the bookshelf you shared. The book Atmosphere is located on the top row towards the right-hand side of the display. What a cool use for ChatGPT. And because of this, I've gathered a few more cool, unique use cases for the app, and maybe this can spawn new ideas for you in how to use it yourself. This was a classic one that was big way back in the day in the early stages of ChatGPT. And in case you missed it, you can use it today with ChatGPT 5. And it's sending a photo of the inside of your fridge and then asking it to come up with easy to cook food recipes using the available ingredients. In this example, ChatGPT wrote back, how about a fruit salad? Combine diced apples, oranges, and bananas into a larger bowl. An option of a cheese omelet. Beat 2 to 3 eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt and pepper. Ham and cheese sandwich. These are simple ones. Layer slices of lunch meat and cheese on a slice of bread. Add your lettuce, tomato, or other desired toppings. And then a fruit smoothie. Blend a mix of apples, oranges, and bananas with a cup of milk. Now you can also do this with your pantry, and it will come up with pasta dishes, rice dishes, anything that you can make with a dry set of foods. Another example I heard about is teachers using ChatGPT to mark their tests. Before apps like ChatGPT, obviously as a teacher, let's say you're teaching 30 kids in a high school class, you'd have to take all 30 of those tests home and then mark them one by one. Now with ChatGPT, you can get it to do it for you. So this is just a sample college quiz. It's a fun little quiz to see how much you know about college. I'm going to quickly do the quiz. Then we're going to send this quiz into ChatGPT and get it to mark it on our behalf. Okay, I quickly completed the quiz in MS Paint. Now I'm going to go to ChatGPT and upload that image and then write, please mark this test. I'll send it in. And here's the results. It gave me a correct answer key. It recorded my choices from the circles on the test, told me which ones I missed, and then my final score, which is a 9 out of 12. It looks like I know a little bit about college, but obviously not all. Another unique use case for ChatGPT is taking a PDF of your contract or legal document, uploading it to ChatGPT, and then asking questions about the contract, especially for documents that are over 100 pages long. This might be a good AI assistant to help you read through it. For example, a question like, will I be reimbursed? We can get ChatGPT to look through the entire contract, find the clause that answers that question, and then give us the appropriate answer. And this is the answer that it gave me. Short answer is yes, but only for eligible costs and if you follow the contract's rules. Here's the gist. It tells me some info from Exhibit B, from the US GSA rates, some stuff about the fee schedule, and then the invoicing dates. Let's say you're traveling in another country, you go out to a restaurant, and the entire menu is written in a language that you don't understand. And what if you have some dietary restrictions? If so, this is a perfect use case for ChatGPT. I'm going to upload that menu. I'll write something like, tell me what's on the menu in English, and if it fits within my dietary restriction, let's pretend I'm a vegan. I'm going to send that in. ChatGPT is going to read through that entire menu. It's going to translate it to English for us and then recommend me some options. And here's the results. It's the menu translated into English. Looks like it was organized by starters, main courses, sides, and cheeses. And then vegan fit, as written, none of the starters, mains, or cheeses are vegan. So if you prepare these without butter, animal fat, or dairy, you can have fries, the julienne vegetables or green beans. Another option is the sauteed potatoes. And finally, on a sadder note, this Reddit user, Dave Granger, he had a fire in his house and he couldn't be in the place long enough to inventory things. So he took the photos from the insurance adjuster, uploaded it to ChatGPT, gave it some context about the fire, and then asked it to build out an inventory based on what it could identify, also estimate costs of those items, and then hopefully they would be reimbursed by the insurance company. Those are just a few unique ways that I've seen people use ChatGPT. If you have any other cool ways of using it, please write it in the comments below. I'm sure a lot of other viewers are looking for ways to supercharge their productivity in their life. If you're looking for a comprehensive business suite of AI agents for your online company, check out youraiagent.com. We have over 30 effective, complete AI agents or automations. Our two newest ones is an auto follow agent for Blue Sky and Twitter. This will help you get more followers on your profile. And then scrolling down here, we have an automation that creates UGC, that's user generated content ads for your products, and it turns them into viral ready videos. We're currently offering a 3-day free trial. If you're interested in any of the agents we have available, I'm going to leave a link to a video playlist in the description below. And if you like this video, I put 2 more on the screen right now. Both have been catered to your personal YouTube watch history. Give one of them a click for me, give it a watch, and I'll see you in there later.